knowledge that the thoughts belong to God, who alone has the power to give life. Si Lindsay po ay ating inihahandog sa oras na to sa mayamang kalinga at pagpapala ng ating Amang nasa langit. Akin pong itinatalaga sa iyo, akin pong ipinagkakatiwala sa iyo, Lindsay Mignom Mugar Cano, na siya ay magiging isang pagpapala sa kanyang magulang at sa mundong ito.
No other than Yuna Cano! And now, please give a round of applause for our birthday celebrant, no other than Jillian Cano!
The sun is shining bright and everything's alright. I love to hear you singing along my happy song. La 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 I love to run my hand across your hand. There's nothing I can do.
Happy birthday, Julian K. I have a gift for you, but I don't know what is inside. I hope you like it.
Kaya na hindi namin uwian yung mga apo. Gusto ko lang pumunta kami to kiss you, to hug you, and to say happy birthday to you.
Congregation natin, nabigyan sila ng education, shelter, masaya na buhay sa kanilang batang isipan.
Happy Ginan, happy birthday. Ang dati yun na, happy birthday. Parang kailan lang. Ngayon, year old ka na.
Sasabihin ko sa'yo lagi, Jillian, na lagi ka sumunod kay mommy and daddy and sa mga lola at lola mo. To you na, happy birthday din. Si Yuna kasi yung estudyante or bata na tahimik po. Pero she's talented.
Si Gina yung batang malambing talaga siya. Oh, happy birthday. Kung kailangan nyo lang help, andito lagi si Teacher Bart sa school. So, happy birthday again, Yuna and Gila.
Say Bunny!
I love to hear you singing along my I love to feel you strong. The sun is shining bright and everything's alright. I love to hear you singing along my happy song.
To my Ming, happy birthday, makulit na bata.
Huwag kang magagalit kapag lagi kang sinasaway ng tita.
Aral mabuti, magpakabait, palaging sumunod kay mommy mo tsaka kay daddy.
Matuto ka rin mag-Tagalog, ha? Love na love ka namin lahat, and I love you. Yun lang.
For everyone who will come over today and celebrate sa dedication and birthday nila and nila. Thank you very much. Hopefully, the next year, nakasama ulit tayo